What's up, Magic people? Got yet another Dragons of Tarkir booster pack. Hopefully we get Narset in here, but let's go ahead and get cracking. Okay. Territorial Rock, Marsh Hulk, Kindled Fury, Sandstorm Charger, Updraft Elemental, Dragon Scarred Bear, Anticipate, Misthoof Kieran, Tygam Strike, Summit Prowler, and our uncommons, Enduring Scale Lord, Seismic Rupture, Skywise Teachings, and our rare, Crater Elemental, 2 colorless and a red. Pay red, tap, sacrifice Crater Elemental. Crater Elemental deals 4 damage to target creature. It also has Formidable, pay 2 and a red. Crater Elemental has base power of 8 until end of turn. Activate this ability only if creatures you control have total power of 8 or greater. And a plains and a morph. Thanks for watching.